Let's go ahead and jump right into building a view for our calendar page. Click on Structure, and then select the bottommost option, which is called Views. And this is our first Views configuration page. This is a list of each of the individual views that currently exist. Now, just to clarify, when I say the word view, what I mean is typically a list of content generated by a single views configuration. So we can create a list of content that pulls in a list of our tours as a calendar view, but we can also create a list of content to generate a blog, for example, or to create an image gallery. Any type of list of content, be it in a table view, in a list, or just as individual blocks of content, can all be generated through the Views module. We're going to create one view, but the same tools that we use to create this view can then be used to create other views as well. And in future videos, we're going to do exactly that and explore various options for creating different lists of content based on the Views module. We have a number of views that come bundled with the Views module, including an archive view, a backlinks view, front page, and glossary. But let's go ahead and skip looking at these for now and start the process of adding a new view by clicking the Add New View link.